Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 2008 SUV in the active specification. So it comes with 16-inch alloy wheels, there's a 7-inch touchscreen that comes with DAB digital radio, as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. We've also got dual zone air conditioning, cruise control, and the car's done just under 7,000 miles. So let's have a look around. So if this car is of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.